Le Corbusier is a Switzerland-born artist and architect, later moved to Paris and assumed the pseudonym Le Corbusier. At age 13, Le Corbusier attended art decorative to learn wash enameling and engraving. There he met his mentor who taught him art history, drawing, and naturalist aesthetic of art. Besides, his mentor also insisted him to study architect and arrange the first commissions working on local projects. After designing his first house, Le Corbusier took trips through Central Europe, and he made 3 major architectural discoveries in these trips.
Pilates elevates the mass of the ground. Roof garden restore the ground covered by the house. Free facade, the corollary of the free plan in the vertical plan. Ribbon windows, the long horizontal sliding window. Free plan, the separation of the load-bearing columns from the walls subdividing the space. Domino house is an open floor plan of concrete slabs supported by reinforced concrete columns around the edges. A stairway is located at one side of the floor plan. Allows combination of internal and provides conceivable light on the front. The foundation for most of his architectures for the next decade. Maison Curutchet, located at an area of traditional settlement in Argentina that achieved completion after World War II. Significant single-family dwellings in a period of transition between the 20s heroic villas and the more monumental Ahmedabad Villa Shothan that located between 2 pre-existent buildings. It is used to persuade Argentine government to implement his planning proposal for Buenos Aires. The volume at the bottom plot of the house has the same height as 19th century's house, while the sunshades follow that of the lower house of 30 years, so its appearance harmonizes with the surrounding buildings. The idea of the rooftop garden was to replace the green area that had been consumed by the building's footprint and to transplant it to the roof of the building. Unlike the other building designed by Le Corbusier, the roof garden of the Curutchet House is actually a tree planted at the center of the building that emerges all the way up to the skies taller than the building itself, to giving the impression of the sky garden that can be seen from all floors of the house.
A ramp is used to link the 2 main volumes and it connects the entrance hall of the house and work area. Through this architectural promenade, the ramp provides a very sequential perception of distant traveler. The promenade of a Le Corbusier leads the vision to realize this twist, impose a walk link to a cinematic vision, and trace a scenic itinerary. Unlike the stairs, the ramp grants a dynamic variation of the angle of vision, a dynamic that breaks the traditional perspective image and replaces it with a composition of overlapping plans. The rough through the ramp produces alteration in the depth, the distance, and the height steadily.
In the Curutchet House, the ramp is the axis of the composition, articulates the 2 main functions, the housing and the office, and is the connector between them and the street. It gives continuity to the sidewalk inside of the lot, generates an atypical urban situation, allows the dynamic experience of the house. Its architecture is revealed gradually, provides a vision where there are perceived variations of light and shadow in all their routes.
The free plan design also helps remarkably in circulation of the bedrooms and bathroom, where they are designed curved, improving articulation and ventilation.
The free plan design frees the wall from the columns and provides great flexibility in the layout and interconnection of space. The interior was designed to create clear separation between work areas and housing and offer all main rooms good guidance and a view of the square and the adjacent park. They also have good guidance and good sunlight and views of the streets and neighboring parkland as well.